Well, I just got a box in the mail and I thought, why not do an unboxing video? I've never done an unboxing video before. I hope it works. Here's the box. It's from Matthias Media. Haven't opened it yet. Oh. Ooh. It's got all these little white bits and pieces in it. What's in there? Ah, look at this. A Bible guide to Ephesians. This is for you if you're a Bible study leader, or if you're a preacher at a church and you want an intro to Ephesians. Oh, look at this. It's written by me. Oh, had no idea. And look at this up here. This is Lift Your Eyes. That's my online series of 70 blog posts and podcast episodes. That's linked to this book. What you can do is you can get the book, Intro to Ephesians, look at an overview of Ephesians, and then you can go into depth and find out all the little details about the various verses in Ephesians. So that works with that. You can just have that, or you can just have this one all by itself, whatever you want to do. What a surprise. And there's my unboxing video.